Hi everyone, my name is Odon Cosmos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a drop-down menu in a WordPress website. After watching this video, you'll be able to add a drop-down menu in a WordPress website. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be able to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. To do this, we'll go to our website. Now this is my website. As you can see, here is my top menu, and I would like to add a drop down menu under the blog section. To do that, log into your backend and then go to appearance. Under appearance, you go to menus and wait for it to load. You wait for it to load. Now it's okay. Yes. Now this is the page it will show you. Go to categories and then click on what you have there. For me, I have poetry, health, and relationship, and I would want these three to be added to my menu. All you need to do is to click on add menu, and you can see I have it here. Now I would like to have my health first. In order to do that, you need to adjust it this way, yes. So after doing this, endeavor that it is this way. Don't move it to be on the same as that of the blog, which is this form. So endeavor you move it this way and then you save changes. And let's go to our website to see if our changes have taken place. Let's move to our website. You can see it's still loading. Yeah. Now let's refresh. You can see it hasn't appeared yet. Let's refresh the page to see if our changes has taken place. Yes. Fantastic. Look at our blog post. You see we have health, poetry, and relationship. So this is how you can be able to add a drop down menu in any WordPress website. Thank you for watching. Please like my channel, leave a comment in the comment section below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification when I post another video. Thank you.